5 Best PC Cases. Number 5. Corsair Carbide Spec 01. Install up to 4 storage drives. Large side panel window. Dust filters for front and PSU intake. That basic doesn't need to be boring. Item weight, 10.6 pounds. You get aggressive styling. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Phanteks NZXT Pro M. Better performing as P-Series fans. Additional fans as possible. All fans included are Phanteks new redesigned. Three different installation areas for radiators. Reservoir mounting locations. The Pro M will give you unlimited possibilities. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Phanteks Eclipse P400S. Steel exterior and chassis. Clean interior, hidden PSU. Ability to upgrade to additional fans as possible. Manufacturer warranty may not apply. The new Eclipse Series P400S. The P400S is suitable for beginners. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Corsair Carbide Air 540. Outstanding cooling potential. High-performance air cooling. Dual-chamber direct airflow path design. Full-side panel window. Item weight, 16.3 pounds. Cable routing cutouts with rubber grommets. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. NZXT S340. Compact and functional design. Cable management bar cum. Superior durability, 90% steel construction. Illuminated LED power button. Steel-plated audio jacks. A backlit triple-headed snake logo. Please check the description for detail and price.